Adrian Taligdig, Happy Helper, Batang Magalang, Perfect Attendance Award. With honors, Ishan RBT T. Hamon, Happy Helper, Star Leader, Batang Maasahan, Graceful Dancer, PCB, Sunshine, Awardee. That's all of the year. Certificate of recognition is awarded to Ishan RBT T. Hamon with an average of 91% with honors. A certificate of appreciation is awarded to Gina Corlenes. With honors, John Kai Lasha, Lead Kid Award, Disciplinario Award, Anna's Kid, Happy Helper, Nina Picture, Star Leader, Batang Maasahan, Collaborative, Suitable Learner, and BCD Awardee. Certificate of recognition with an average of 92% with honors. Certificate of appreciation is awarded to Glory B. Lasha. Capstone of the year. Jonathan S. Makatunaw, Happy Helper, Extra Miler. Kai Andrew Mayer, Chairperson and Happy Helper. Jack Kai. Kai Andrew. With honors, Maclet Isaiah Pangawonses, Batang Maasahan, Happy Helper, Legal Teacher, Purple Soul, and Collaborative Awardee. That's part of the year. Certificate of recognition is awarded to Maclet Isaiah Pangawonses with an average of 91% with honors. Certificate of appreciation is awarded to Yachel Pangawonses. With honors, Rachel Fonten, Lead Kid, BCB, Sunshine, Sociable Learner, Graceful Dancer, Happy Helper, Extra Miler Awardee, and Capstone of the Year. Certificate of recognition is awarded to Rachel B. Fonten, 91% with honors. Certificate of appreciation is awarded to Ivy B. Fonten. Zachary S. Toong, Sherford Award, Sherford, Purple Soul, Sociable Learner, Happy Helper, and Kapagbigay Awardee. Zachary S. Toong, represented by his mother. Ang certificate of appreciation is awarded to Virginia S. Toong. Sunshine Award, Sunshine Awardee and Happy Helper Awardee. Zanaya Faith Ago. Zanaya Faith Ago. Her Lola, Herlinda Ragay, will receive the certificate of appreciation. Bella R. Antap, Sunshine, Lead Kid, and Happy Helper Awardee. Gia Morales, Purple Soul and Happy Helper Awardee. Gia Morales. Let's go here. Congratulations, Gia. Cassie Ann Delicami, with honors. Okay. Alicia. Batang Magalang, Extra Miler, Sociable Learner, Happy Helper, Sunshine Awardee. Certificate of Recognition is awarded to Kasi and Helikami, 92% and an average of 92% with honors. Certificate of Appreciation is awarded to Jenny Helikami. Julia M. Hugalbot. Julia M. Hugalbot. Sunshine, Happy Helper Awardee. Dimple Ianiego. Need Kid, Sociable Learner, Batang Magalang, Happy Helper, PCB, Grace Hall Dancer Awardee. Certificate of Appreciation is awarded to Mayan Iniego. Elizabeth Lynette Jimenez. Youth Honors. Star Reader. Sunshine. Graceful Dancer. Public Speaker. Artistic Hands. Masigasi. Sociable Learner. BCB. Happy Helper. 91% with honors. Certificate of Appreciation is awarded to Deborah Odin Rizon. With honors, Zia A. Pacaoses. Honest Kid, Sunshine, Need Kid, Sociable Learner, Great Giver, Happy Helper, Graceful Dancer Awardee. With an average of 90%, Certificate of Appreciation is awarded to Chris Pacaoses. With honors, Princess Atana A. Carlos. Star Reader, Artistic Hands, Happy Helper, BCB. Sociable Learner, Need Kid, Batang Magalang, Sunshine, and Graceful Dancer Awardee. 91% with honors. Certificate of Appreciation is awarded to Rodelisa Albornoz. With honors, Shannon C. Tilion. Star Reader, Happy Helper, Little Teacher, Cheerful Soul, Artistic Hands, and Disciplinado Ako Awardee. With an average of 90%. J.L. Quintinta. Happy Helper, Extra Miler. Ano si Jay? Sheila May Sumaliray, Happy Helper, Extra Miler, and Batang Magalang. Ano si Sumaliray? Wala. With honors, Princess Justine Itikon. Need Kid, Batang Maasahan, Collaborative Kid, Little Teacher, Disciplinado, Batang Magalang, Sociable Learner, Honest Kid, Happy Helper, and Cheerful Soul Awardee. With an average of 92% with honors. And the Certificate of Appreciation is awarded to Jennifer Itikon.